Dear community, for users update about top coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, BNB, and Sui, where we can take trades and make money. Let's start with Ethereum. The main reason why we start with Ethereum, because at this moment on Ethereum, volume twice as BTC. Honestly, this stuff happens really rarely. It happens only during such strong up trends, and this uptrend still go on Ethereum. That's the reason why my advice for all of you, in case if price would reach this range low, to take a long trade. My position would be this one. In the case of reaching area 40-50, around 40.81, I would like to take a trade. Of course, I would be way happier to take a trade if there would be some local confirmation. Let me show to you example how local confirmation could look like. It would be something like this. For me, best confirmation, it is two types. It is a significant volume spike. Example for you as it was here. When price retested VWAP on BTC and significant volume spike. What after that? Big drop. It is the first type of confirmation that I allow. And second type of confirmation that I also enjoy, it is significant open interest trap. You can see open interest increased with no result. It's like a basic law of physics. There are a lot of efforts, but not result. You can see 36,000 contracts approximately in this tiny area. If you multiply it by average price on BTC, it is nearly 4 billion worth of position, nearly 4 bill. Someone built a position here and massive sell-off on spot and futures. There's no result. That's example for you how beautiful confirmation looks like. That's why the same on Ethereum. In the case of reaching, if there would be open interest absorption, massive volume spike, like here, big volume candle, 40 bill, 60 bill, it would be just amazing for us to take a trade here. That's why. Set your alert and let's go. Let's go to BTC and other top coins. Due to Independence Day of Ukraine, we decided to do massive discount from 50 to 70% on all our services to our community members. You can join several services. It is face-to-face mentorship, VIP club where we share analytics, signals, trading plans, bicep crypto alerts. It is a system on indicators that help people invest for the long term. Honestly, really powerful stuff. This offer will work additional 1 day because, as you know, our team it is also humans, and after tomorrow they will go and take rest. That's why to take part in that offer, below this video, you open this link, Bigger Trading Discount. Open this link. Here would be such form. What you do, write your name, write your phone number and email. Choose internationally where you are, because in order to our team to connect with you. That's why do it right now, get this massive discount. What about other top coins? Let's do for start as BTC. BTC continues this downward structure. We had a beautiful downward reaction after these two significant volume spikes. You can see both times price continue downward. Honestly, at this moment, I had a plan to take short at 115 at VWAP since this swing high. Price didn't take it. At this moment, this downward structure continue, and honestly, I have zero desire to look for long at this moment because there is no volume that would stop it. There is no open interest trap. There is nothing. That's why, from my point of view, a big chance that the price would continue dropping. Best place for a long, of course, would be around 98,000 on BTC. It's this important swing low. In all other cases, I would wait for some significant open interest absorption, for some significant volume spike, which I don't see at this moment on BTC. Like big volume spike could be a good signal for potential stop. Big open interest absorption could be a good signal for potential move. We don't have anything of that like here. That's why continue the structure until something important happens. The next one, let's go to Solana. What about Solana? Solana at this moment super interesting. The most important question that I have at this moment: will Solana do breakout or not? Because on Solana, what we have 2 times massive rise in open interest. Each time when price reaches this key area 205, you can see open interest increase and price better. Let's go to value because here this data way better. You can see each time when price reaches this 205 area, what happens? Open interest build up, and what after that? Massive sell-off. Open interest build up, massive sell-off. Again, open interest build up, and each time this sell-off smaller, and again open interest build up. From my point of view, it could be potentially breakout from this value, but uh, it would be way better to take a trade if price would do some local consolidation here. If there would be some consolidation, I would take long, because honestly, I thought when price was here, I thought that there would be bigger drop to take range low, and that idea didn't play out. At this moment, it looks like they try to push out, and if they would be successful, they could start significant movement up. That's why once more, in the case of additional range for 1-2 days, especially if during that time BTC would drop, Solana would stay in range, that would be a good signal that Solana is strong and potentially good up move could happen. Ripple. What about Ripple? Ripple continues this downward structure. Here, if you remember in previous plan, recommendation was to look for a short at VWAP. Price did not retest it. That's why I missed a good entry point. From my point of view, still everything looks like that Ripple will go down to take this imbalance. What will be after really depends. Because if here would be some massive volume spike with absorption, that could be a good place to take long. That's why at 250, potentially a good long. If you took short at VWAP, just keep it, enjoy it at 273 close part to be risk-free. BNB. BNB also in this beautiful uptrend. Here was a significant open interest as it stopped. Someone tried to break through, failed. At this moment, I think with big chance price will go down to take this key level. Major plan in the case of reaching 880 local short with a target this key level 814. After that, really depends what will be here. If that would be immediately buyback, it would be a signal that uptrend would go on. If price breaks below, after that we will use it as a key resistance. SUI also follow the same structure. SUI, since this swing high, you can see continue dropping. This value played out well on SUI. Also, everything looks like SUI will go down to take this imbalance. Here, if you took short from this value, I advise you to move stop loss. If you took any short here, I advise you to move stop loss into risk-free. And major target, it would be exactly this center of imbalance 314. ADA also continues this downward structure. ADA also, as you can see, did this local consolidation. Honestly, any good place to take short was only here around 86. Right now, when price took those lows, it's a little bit too late. That's why still the most important for us, my friends, it is Ethereum and Solana, because the biggest volume there, and soon there would be a really significant movement. That's why really pay attention a lot to Ethereum and Solana. Have a good day. And remind to you to take part in this in our massive discount. Join our community where we share signals, trading plans on daily basis. Link is in description. Fill the form and see you inside.